Hi everybody, this is Shai again. On today's special we're going to make some chicken rolls. Our chicken rolls are going to be made from chicken, mashed potatoes, and seasoned beef. For 6 portions we're going to need 6 pieces of thinly sliced chicken breast, 3 potatoes, 1 pound of ground beef and onions, some fennel seeds, and 2 cloves of garlic. First, we're going to season the chicken breast. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of mustard, half a teaspoon of white pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and then 4 tablespoons of salan. We're going to mix all of that together. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of paprika. Once we're done mixing the marinade, we're going to put all the chicken inside and cover it from all sides evenly. All of that is going to go into the fridge for about 4 hours. Now we're going to make the mashed potatoes. We're going to slice the potatoes to small pieces. We're going to put everything in a pan, cover it with water, and boil it for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, once the potatoes are soft, we're going to get rid of the water. Then we're going to add 3 ounces of butter, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to mash everything together for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's not the typical mashed potatoes. We don't want them too soft. That's why we used only 3 ounces of butter. Now we're going to make the seasoned beef. We're going to chop an onion to very small pieces, just like that. Then in a pan we're going to put about 3 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Once the oil is hot, we're going to add the onions to it and then stir fry it for a few minutes until they get golden brown. Once they're golden brown, we're going to add the 2 cloves of garlic. We're going to mash the garlic first and add it to the pan and mix it together. Then we're going to add about half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Fennel seeds work very good with beef. We're going to mix all of it together to get the flavors out first, and then we're going to add the ground beef. It's important to mix everything all the time, otherwise the beef is going to stick together and become chunky. To that we're going to add half a teaspoon of salt. And then 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika. We're going to stir fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes. And that's it, our seasoned beef is ready. Now we're going to take the chicken breast, lay one piece down, and then put about 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of mashed potatoes, depending on the side of the chicken breast. On top of that, we're going to put 2 to 3 tablespoons of our ground beef. Then we're going to roll the chicken breast. It's important to do it gently with 2 hands, but if something comes out of the roll, it's not a big deal. We're going to roll everything just like that and gently put everything into a baking pan. We're going to repeat the process with all the chicken we have. Chicken, mashed potatoes, and seasoned beef works perfectly together anyway. Combined together into one dish only adds to the flavors of one another, and then we're going to get the perfect main course for any meal we make. Once we're done with that, we're going to put everything into an oven preheated to 360 degrees for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, that's what we're going to get. There are many ways to serve the rolled chicken breast. We can serve it just like that. We can cut it to rolls. We can cut it to half and have people take it from a main dish. It's very tasty. I cannot even describe how good it tastes. It works very good with potatoes, with rice, with whatever you want to serve it with. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Take care.